Ballet Rex Begonia, a dazzling dancer in your indoor garden. Hi, Ferb Vu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for the captivating Ballet Rex Begonia. This houseplant isn't just about the name, its vibrantly colored, textured leaves truly embody a graceful dance. Over the years, I've fielded many questions about this beauty. So, I decided to compile a comprehensive FAQ to answer all your burning inquiries about the Ballet Rex Begonia. See more 2104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Ballet Rex Begonia? The Ballet Rex Begonia, Begonia rex ballet, is a captivating cultivar known for its stunning foliage. It belongs to the Begonia rex family, a group of begonias prized for their ornamental leaves. Unlike many begonias known for their flowers, the Ballet Rex shines with a kaleidoscope of colors and textures on its leaves. What makes the Ballet Rex Begonia special? The Ballet Rex Begonia is a showstopper. Its large, asymmetrical leaves boast a captivating interplay of colors. Imagine a base of deep emerald green splashed with shades of burgundy, silver, and sometimes even hints of pink. These colors are further accentuated by a delightful textural contrast. The leaves are often puckered and ruffled, adding another layer of visual interest. How does the Ballet Rex Begonia compare to other begonias? While many begonias are known for their vibrant flowers, the Ballet Rex Begonia focuses on foliage. Compared to flowering begonias, the Ballet Rex requires less light and might be a better choice for areas with indirect sunlight. How do I care for my Ballet Rex Begonia? The Ballet Rex Begonia is a relatively easygoing houseplant. Here are some key things to remember. Light, provide medium to low indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Watering, water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Don't overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Aim for consistent moisture without soggy soil. Humidity, while not strictly necessary, the Ballet Rex Begonia appreciates moderate humidity. You can increase humidity around the plant using a pebble tray or humidifier. Soil, use a well-draining potting mix. A mixture formulated for African violets often works well. Fertilizer, during the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month, diluted to half strength. What are some common problems with the Ballet Rex Begonia? Brown, crispy leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, low humidity, or excessive sunlight. Yellowing leaves, overwatering is the most likely culprit. Adjust your watering routine. Pests, mealybugs and spider mites can be occasional problems. Address them with organic methods like insecticidal soap or neem oil. Can I propagate my Ballet Rex Begonia? Absolutely. You can propagate the Ballet Rex Begonia through leaf cuttings. Here's a simplified process. Cut a healthy leaf with a petiole, the stalk connecting the leaf to the stem. Dip the cut end of the petiole in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the petiole in a pot with moist, well-draining soil. Cover the pot with a plastic bag to maintain humidity. Place the pot in bright, indirect light. Be patient. New growth can take several weeks to appear. Where can I find a Ballet Rex Begonia? Ballet Rex Begonias are readily available at many online plant retailers and local nurseries. Final thoughts. The Ballet Rex Begonia is a captivating houseplant that adds a touch of elegance and artistic flair to any indoor space. With its minimal maintenance requirements and dazzling foliage, it's a perfect choice for both seasoned plant parents and beginners alike. So, why not invite this graceful dancer into your home and witness its captivating beauty unfold?